Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today I am going to teach you a poem, and the title of the poem is Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know. Okay, children, here we will read about trees. First, recite the poem. Let's start. Trees are the kindest thing I know. They don't harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among the boughs. They are the first when days begin to touch the beams of the morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest thing I know. And this is the name of the poet who has written Harry Benn. Okay, children, this is a very nice poem. Let's recite it once again. Trees are the kindest thing I know. They don't harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among the boughs. Trees are the kindest thing. Here the poet has tell about trees that they are the kindest thing. Kindest means who is most kind, means kindest of all things. That is called kindest. They don't harm, means they are only useful for us. They are not harmful for us. They simply grow and spread their shades for sleepy cows and the person who are tired to rest in its shade and gather birds among the boughs. Boughs means branches, and so many birds gathered. You can see here so many birds are on its branches. They are the first when days begin, and they are always there. When the day began, they are there, and when the night starts, they are there. When the morning sun rays comes, they are the first to touch it, and they are last to hold the light. When evening changes into night, when night comes, then they are the last to touch the light, to hold the light. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. Lullaby is a song which we sing for a little children to sleep. Lori. And when a moon floats on the sky, and when a moon comes on the sky, they hum, means they sounds a low sound. The leaves are trembling and they just hum a drowsy lullaby to sleep a child of sleepy children long ago, so that a children or a child can sleep. Trees are the kindest thing I know. Whatever I know, whatever thing about I know, trees are the kindest of all of them. Okay, children, this is a very nice poem. You will learn this poem and make this fill in the blanks. Look at this. This is just a summary. I am giving you the answer and you will write it in the copy. Trees are the kindest of all things that we know because they do not harm anyone. They grow peacefully and spread their branches all around. Crows rest in their children? Crows rest in their shade and birds gather to rest in their branches. When the day began, cows rest in their shades and birds gather to rest in their branches, or you can write boughs. When the day begins, the first beam of the sunlight falls on the trees. They are the last to hold the light of the sun. When the day turns into night, during the night, the moon dashes on the sky. The moon floats on the sky, and the leaves move about silently, humming a lullaby to help the children sleep. The trees have been serving mankind selflessly for ages, hence they are the kindest things that we know. Okay children, this is the summary of the poem. Write it. You can write here first beam of the sun only. Write it in the copy. And now the next one. Describe the 3 acts of kindness shown by trees which you have seen just in the poem. First, they give shades to cause, or you can write they give shades to us. Then they hum a drowsy lullaby for children, and then they give us oxygen to live, or they give us fruit, they give us flowers, many things, many kindness act they shown to us, and you can write here. You have to write only 3. Okay, rest of the exercises we will do later. Hope you will like this video. Subscribe my channel, like it and comment on it and share it with your friends. Thank you.